Yeah, woke up in the frost where the savanna bites, chasing down the flavor through the northern lights. I'm packing up the heat, yeah, I'm bringing the flare, from the frozen tundra to the desert air. Steal lifestyle, yeah, we keep it refined, leaving all the bland and the boring behind. It's so juicy, it's so satisfying. Got the world on a plate, no need for denying. From the coldest savanna to the globe in a spin. One bite of this, let the feast begin. Yeah, SD lifestyle. Keep it bold, keep it true. The recipe's fire, and it's waiting for you. Yeah. Throw the spice in the pot, let it simmer and glow. Taking secret ingredients everywhere I go. It's a rhythm in the kitchen, a crunch in the beat. Cooking up the magic, yeah, the ultimate treat. From the ice-crusted plains to the city neon light, we're serving up a masterpiece every single night. Forget the compromise, forget the compromise. We're leveling up to a different size. Crispy, golden, dripping with soul. Feel your spirit, feel the bowl. It's so juicy, yeah, it's so satisfying. Got the world on a plate, no need for deny. From the coldest savanna to the globe in a spin. One bite of this, let the feast begin. Yes, the lifestyle. Keep it bold, keep it true. Recipe's fire, and it's waiting for you. Yes, the world is hungry, let's eat. Juicy, satisfying, always on repeat. Like they were a phase. Shook your head slow when I chose my own way. I heard the doubt in every dinner room silence. Your words fell hard like rain on my shoulders, but I kept going with my hands still shaking. Kept my dream alive while the whole house was breaking. You said I'd fall, you said I was lost. Still I kept my heart even when it cost. I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, though you never believe me. I'm still here, I'm still here. I built my road while you tried to leave me. You wanted the safe road, the 1,000 reasons to fear me more. I'm still here, I'm still here, still here. I'm still here, though you never believe me. I'm still here, I'm still here, still here. I built my road while you tried to leave me. Now look at the pieces I learned how to hold. The nights were bitter, but they made me bold. I don't need perfect, I just need true. And I found my strength when I stepped from you. I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, and I made it through. I'm still here, I'm still here, say what you want, I'm still here for you. Like they were a fate, shook your head slow when I chose my own way. I heard the doubt in every dinner room silence. Your words fell hard like rain on my shoulders, but I kept going with my hands still shaking, kept my dream alive while the whole house was breaking. You said I'd fall, you said I was lost, still I kept my heart even when it cost. I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, though you never believe me. I'm still here, I'm still here, I built my road while you tried to leave me. You wanted the safe road, the one you could name, clean little answers and a life with a frame. But I was born with a storm in my pocket, a different kind of tried hard to stop it, and I know you worry, but worry can wound when every good dream gets called too soon. I needed one chance, one open door, not 1,000 reasons.